I'm Dr. Vivek Gupta. I am breast cancer surgeon at BLK Super Specialty Hospital, and we are doing all types of breast cancer cases here, and all the latest recent advances of breast cancers and breast preservation surgeries, sentinel node biopsies. All the aspects of breast cancers are covered here. We work as a team and in a multimodality approach with medical oncologists, radiation oncologists, physiotherapists, plastic surgeons, and all of us together we plan the whole treatment of the breast cancer patients. When we talk about breast cancer has always been among the most researched cancers worldwide, and it is one of the most common most common cancer in the women. Although men also have breast cancer, but it's one of the most common cancers in women when we talk about breast cancer. And the breast cancer is a very dynamic field in medical world, and lot of research is going on, so we have to be updated all the time with the latest research which has come. We try to offer our patients the best possible treatment without compromising on the cancer treatment, and also preserving the breast at the same time treating the cancer. So that is the main focus of our department, and for this sometimes we have to give chemotherapy first, sometimes we do surgery first. So all that planning, the sequencing of the treatment is done according to the latest guidelines going on all around the world. Breast cancer, the patients in India specifically come to us in a very late stages. So we find a lot of difficulty in treating these patients. Western countries, patients come in an early stage, so they have a better result, and almost breast cancer, we say early stages are curable. So to detect breast cancer in early stage, people need to be aware of it. There are various protocols, guidelines put forward so that the lumps which are there in the breast should be detected early. Mammogram should be done after age of 45 for all the women. And once the breast cancer is detected early, it makes a lot of difference as far as the curing of cancer is concerned. Early stage breast cancer is curable. So awareness has to be there, and all the women who are more than 45 years should get a yearly mammogram done. If there is a family history, then the mammogram should be done earlier than 45 years. Most of our patients who come to us also ask us about alternative treatments, homeopathic, Ayurvedic, or maybe some other treatments going on. There is no comparison between these alternative treatments and the treatment we offer, because our treatments are totally scientific based and based on the research results which have involved multiple centers and all over the world, the research work which has gone. So we are not against any alternative treatment, but whatever done, whatever treatment is given should be guided by the principles and research evidence. The cancer treatment for breast goes on for around 6 to 9 months, surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, and after this the patient usually is kept on follow-up to detect if any recurrence is there. In this period, it is very important for the patients to be regular on their follow-up, and if any psychological support is required, if they require any breast prosthesis, breast reconstruction is required in patients who have undergone total mastectomy, that we offer to all our patients. So breast cancer is a long treatment. Patients stay with us for 5-6 years. The treatment goes on, the hormone therapy goes on for nowadays 10 years. So we offer all types of psychological support to our patients in terms of breast reconstructions, breast prosthesis, lymphedema treatment, and most of our patients are doing very well, and we